Hello, welcome to this online class. I am Mrs. Anjali Saruri, your science teacher. So today let us revise chapter number 1, my body. You have already learned that one. So just revise. You have to learn here. We learn organs, external organ and internal organs. Those organs can be seen outside, that is called external, and inside in our body, that is called internal organ. And next in this chapter we have learned about digestive system. So in this digestive system, so how many parts those organs present in this system we have seen here. Just check. First mouth, then esophagus, that is a food pipe, then next stomach, large intestine and a small intestine. These organs present in this digestive system. What is digestion? You know, digestion is a complex. When we eat food, it contains carbohydrates, fats, nutrients, other nutrients. So these are complex in form. This complex material are broken down into a simpler form in our digestive system. This process is known as digestion. So we have studied about the first part of our digestive system, how it helps us, and the first part is our mouth. In this mouth, teeth and one movable, soft movable tongue present. So we have learned types of teeth. There are two types of teeth: milk teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth and permanent teeth. How many permanent teeth we have? 32. Okay, see. So after that we have learned about teeth. Teeth is a hard part and it is useful for tearing, grinding purpose, and it helps us also to give shape of our face and to speak. This is important part, our teeth. So after that we have learned types of teeth. How many types of teeth? There are 4 types of teeth. In front, this front side there are upper jaw has 4 holes and lower jaw has 4. That teeth are called flat teeth. Front side. Either side of this flat teeth, there are 2 pointed teeth. Upper jaw has 2 pointed teeth and lower jaw also 2 pointed teeth. This total number of pointed teeth are 4. So that is called canines also, and flat teeth called incisor teeth. The next teeth, broad and broad teeth, they are present backside of the mouth. Okay. So broad and broad teeth are 2 types again. A molar and premolar. So overall there are 12 molar in all, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. So these teeth help us to grind the food. Okay. Then next part we learn about tongue. It is a soft movable part present in the mouth. It also it helps us to push the food into the food pipe. Okay. So after that food pipe, but let us revise again about tongue. So there are around 3-4 types of taste. So see this tongue. You have seen here. So tongue, the back side of the tongue is sensitive to bitter in taste, and tip of the front tip of this side taste is sweet in taste, and both sides the taste sensitive to sour and salty taste. Okay. There are 3 glands, salivary glands present in our mouth. How many glands? 3 glands, and they secrete saliva in the mouth. So these are the most important part in our mouth. So now let us study about the stomach, intestine. When food enter into the food pipe, it goes to the stomach here, and this stomach is a muscular bag-like structure. See, and here food is partially digested. This side food is partially digested, and then it goes into the small intestine, and small intestine food completely digested here and goes into blood, form blood, and blood carries all food all parts of our body. And undigested food that goes into a large intestine. Okay, undigested food goes into the large intestine, and after that we have seen that after this undigested semi-solid waste is collected into the rectum, and after that anus. That is the explicative part. So it doesn't matter. But here our digestive system finished. So you have to learn importance of food and importance of eating fresh and clean food, everything. So you have to learn, and then just practice it around next within 10 or 15 days. So you have to learn daily practice. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.